Now we'll see host header attack hunting. So steps is very simple. You have to find a URL having status code either 2 accesses or either from 3 accesses, and then you have to try once on each 2 accesses. That what's that mean? See this. Basically, you have to find a URL having status code of either 200, 201, 202, 203, 204. One status code of one URL having this status code basically, or rather you can find status code of 300, 301, 302, 303, 304, etc. And there you have to try host header injection hunting in payloads. Now see this. Let's examples I want to try on this website hackersera.com. So I will first spider this website because I have to find a status code. So I'll open Bobsuit browser hackersera.com. Yes. Now intercept is on. Right click, send this to a spider, maybe yes. Right click, spider this host, yes. See, basically I have to find URL having status code either what 200 or 3 or any. So there are many 200s. I will pick any 200. Okay, let's pick this 200. Pick this one. Okay, right click, send this to repeater. Now the very first method to find host header, first method to find host header injection is what? Change real host to bing.com. Let's bing.com. Let's use bing.com. Okay, so the real host is hackersera.com. I'll change this to bing.com. Let's click on go. Now if it will redirect to bing.com, then there is a what? Host header open redirection, but it's not redirecting. How I get to know? Because there is a 404, means not found. This would be 300, 3 accesses. So first method failed. Now I'll try second method to find host header attack injection is what? Change host from real website web.com to the bing.com at any third party, and set x dash forwarded dash host to real web.com. So what I will do, I already done host to bing.com. I'll do x dash forwarded dash host colon to their real website. So real website is this. Let's copy this and let's just do this. Let's click on execute go. Again it's not redirecting to bing.com, so this method also failed. Let's try third method. What? Third method to find host header attack. Set x dash forwarded dash host to bing.com and the host to realweb.com. Just a vice versa. So I'll do this. What? This real website I have to put there in host. In x dash forward I have to give bing.com. Let's click on go. Again it's not reacting to bing.com. That means it's a secured one. So it's secure. Now so I hope you understand the logic behind this. Now let's try one more time on this website. You can say yammer.com. Let's try on this yammer.com website. Oh no, yes. Now see, the problem is you had tried on the 200 status code. Let's try on 301 or 302. Let's pick any of the websites. Right click, send this to repeater. The first method is what? Host to bing.com. Let's change the host to bing.com. Let's click on go. It's not reacting to bing.com. Second is add x dash forwarded dash host to their real website. I'll do real website. Again, it's not redirecting. It's redirecting, but it's redirecting where? The hackersera.com. So no point. Now we'll do vice versa. I'll put the real one host in real one and x provided host to bing.com. Let's click on go. It's not redirecting. That means this website is secure. Let's try on this website now. www.yammer.com. So this is a Microsoft product website. So I'll do this. Intercept is on. Just reload this. So I have to, because I have to spider this. Send this to spider. Let's go to target. Yes, I'll spider this host. So now I have to find there is 302, there is 200. You can try on anyone. Okay, let's try on this forgotten password new. Right click, send this to repeater. Let's do first step is do host to bing.com. Bing.com. Let's click on go. It's redirecting to bing.com. See this? Right click, show response in browser. Copy. Yes, it's reacting to bing.com. That means this is vulnerable. So this is vulnerable where what? Host header attack. So I hope it's clear to you. If not, we will have a discussion session after this.